So welcome back to Country Cow Designs. If you don't know already, we have a monthly pattern challenge for bag makers in our Facebook group, which is called Sewing with Country Cow Designs. This was the July challenge. This is a pattern by Alona of EN Designs. It's called the Andorra bag. It is super cute. It has a ton of pockets, and a lot of people use this as a great opportunity to get over their fear of zips, and it was really popular in the group. So this is the one I made. It's not my best work because I did put my back out this month, so I have managed to sew this in a slightly peculiar way, and I now have a lovely standing desk, which is really helping, but it's pretty amazing still. I love the bag design. I hope you joined us for this challenge, and as many of you know, every month we do a different challenge by a different designer to try and build skills and encourage everybody to try new things. But this month, we're actually going to do one of our patterns. So this is the August challenge. It is Adam's favourite pattern of ours. It's an oldie. It's the Datham Sling. So this is the one that Adam's made out of oilskin and some old fabric from a well-known coat company, let's say. So it's like a bit of an upcycled project here going on. This is very Adam, isn't it? So the Datham Sling, it's pretty quick to come together. It's quite simple. It's, you know, suitable for everybody, guys and girls, and there's lots of ways you can customize it. It's great for featuring like a really fun print on the front. So this is Adam's favorite pattern. We've also got a secure zip pocket for your phone in the back as well. I hope you guys are going to join us for August in making the Datham Sling. It is a little bit different to, there's a lot of sling patterns out there, but it's a little bit different to most of our other sling patterns. Let me show you another example of it. This one's quite a contrast, isn't it? So this one, as you can see, has got very bright rainbowy colours all over. This is one I made, contrasted with one Adam made. So you can see how your fabrics can kind of make the bag look totally different. For the Datham, every month we do kits for the pattern challenge, and this month is no different. We do have a kit for it. I don't think I have one here right now to show you, but it's really cool, like summery plaid multicolour design. So check it out, because Debbie has come up with a really cool combo, and it's got wax canvas with it as well. So if you want one of the kits, they'll be available on the website as well, countrycowdesigns.com. And then each month we're going to try and do a kit for anybody who just wants to buy like everything in one. So it will have stabilizers, interfacing fabric, zips, hardware, and this month it's going to have the paper pattern as well if you want it. But for other months you still need to go direct to the designer to get the pattern. So that's the pattern challenge for August. What else have we got going on? It's been a busy month for us at Country Cow Designs. If you have noticed, the background is different. That's because we've moved the sewing room again for various reasons. Our house situation has changed, so we now have a different room, and we decided to go with a really cool background color and kind of try to have a permanent setup for videos, which is gonna really make it easier to do the intros for the patterns that we've got coming up, because we've got quite a few in the works. If you haven't heard it already, we're going to be the designer for October for the Bag of the Month Club. We're doing an advanced pattern for that. We've got another couple of patterns in the works as well that we hope to be releasing in the next few months. Also in big news, if you ordered a pre-order of our water-resistant canvas, that arrived like 2 hours ago. So we are currently sorting that out, cutting it, shipping it. In fact, if you're watching this on the Sunday that it's released, your pre-order is probably already on its way to you. Which means, now that that's arrived, we're going to open up our next pre-order for water-resistant canvas. So those are some of the prints we're going to have available for it. So just keep an eye out on your emails if you're subscribed to our mailing list, because we'll send out an email when the pre-order is open. So we just do water-resistant cotton canvas. That's the only base that we do. It's pretty water-resistant, so it's good for bags because like the water will just run off it. We've got lots of cool designs. Adam made sure that we got a couple of neutral designs, not all florals. So some people will be really glad to hear that. So keep an eye out for that on the website, countrycowdesigns.com. In other news, we finally did an interfacing and stabilizer video, which is one of the most requested videos that we get. So if you go onto our YouTube channel, you can find that. I think it's just called Interfacing and Stabilizers, yeah, Adam?
Something like that.
Something like that. What else have we got going on? We've got a bit of new hardware that's come in. We've got some pin buckles and things like that. If you follow us for your bag making hardware, just go onto the website and click on the new products bit in the top menu and it will show you what we've got going on at the moment. We'll also have some other future videos coming up soon, including once the sewing room's done, which might be a little while, we'll do a little tour of the new sewing room to show you how we have it set up for pattern designing and for making videos and things like that. And we're going to do a video about the most important tool for your sewing room if you're a bag maker. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you probably know what tool I'm talking about, but we will reveal that in the video. And we're hoping to just keep working on some new tutorials and things like that. So if you've got any special requests for videos, just let us know in the comments. That'll be really helpful, and then we know what to work on next. And last of all, for those of you that like our Morau faux leather, it's one of our more popular products. We have been out of stock of a few colours for a little while now, but don't worry, it is on order. It's being made. In fact, it's been made and it's now being shipped, and we should receive it sometime in September. So still got a little bit of a waiting time going on, but it's on its way, and we have got some real favourite colours coming in. We've got Midnight Plum, Ocean Blue, Sage Green and Amaranth all coming into stock with that load. We also have a little bit of the ochre, which is this one, Lazuli Blue and Sea Spray Teal coming in soon, but those are colours that we probably won't restock after that, so just bear that in mind. Because of minimum order quantities and things like that, and being a small business and not having a vast amount of storage space as well, we do have to limit how many colours we get in because of where we could keep it. So that is the Morau. We really wanted to do some new colours as well, but if we do that now, it's not going to be until 2026. So we will keep you updated on what happens with that. So I think that's everything. Thanks so much for joining us this month. Please come into the Facebook group and join us as we make the Datum Sling this month, and a different bag by a different designer every month throughout the year. If you want to go back and make one of the other months from January, February, March, April, May, June or July, go ahead. We don't mind at all if you share your bag later, and there's loads of other people in the group making it, so you're going to get all the tips and advice that you want. So come and join us. See you soon. Bye.